babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with a new video, and in today's video we're featuring YMY hair. Big thank you to YMY for sponsoring this video. So let's jump right into this look. These are all the free gifts that came inside the package, loaded with free gifts. Love that. This is the wig. She's a 26-inch deep wave lace frontal wig. The knots are pre-bleached. This hairline is pre-plucked, and if you want, you can get this lace pre-cut as well. I did go in and tweeze some more, so I put my finishing touches on this one. This is the inside construction. You do have combs inside as well as a removable elastic bands, and you have adjustable straps. So here I'm just going to put the wig on, and then I'm going to cut the ear tabs and adhere this down. So I'm using my ORS wig grip to adhere this wig down. I love this. I don't need a lot of it because I don't wear my wigs for a long period of time. So one layer works really well, and it helps melt this lace into the skin. So here I'm pulling out ear tabs and baby hairs, although I was so undecided throughout this whole video. I kept going back and forth whether I wanted them. I felt like it looked really good without them, but then I felt like something was missing. So I need to break the shackles of baby hairs, because why did I feel like it needed it? I don't know, it just looked like it was missing. So here I'm combing the curls out. I like to comb out curly hair while it's dry and then add my water and product. So that's what I'm going to do here. This is what the hair looks like, 360, boom, she's full, gorgeous, love it. So here I will go in and wet it down on camera. I did a little bit off camera, but this is what it looks like as it's air dried. Yeah, at that point you knew I was feeling it. So here we're going to do a lot of back and forth with the baby hairs, and I pull them out, then I put them back. Eventually I cut them down, and I use a little bit of gel just to swoop them into a C shape.
She in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, your money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the butt, stay plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend.
So here I'm just parting the hair, showing you all this extra parting space that we have. But all in all, I decided to do a half up, half down. But you can part this down the middle on the side. You could do a halo braid. You could do 2 braids. You could achieve quite a bit. You can achieve quite a bit of hairstyles with this lace frontal wig because of the parting space. Not to mention, this lace melts down really good, and the curls are beautiful. So overall, I really did enjoy installing this hair.
involved. That person has it all, and you just stuck standing there. But I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby.
Yeah, it really sucks, but ever since I've been long gone, I traded in my senorita for a microphone. I hate the way we fell apart, girl, it's sad to see. Your life is good, but me and you, we a catastrophe. If I was unsuccessful, would you be satisfied? I need a paramedic, girl, I'm feeling paralyzed. If I can choose, you will always be a friend to me. The more money I made, you're acting like my enemy. It's crazy, I can't help it if your feelings change. Off the pressure would turn you into my diamond babe. How can something so familiar be so strange? Closest friends get estranged when your status change. It's about mistake that where I am and where you at.
So this is everything coming together. I'm just putting the finishing touches on the edges, which, you see what I mean? I feel like it completes this hairstyle. Why did I feel that way? Either way, all the links will be down in the description box. Stay tuned to the very end if you want to see the final look. And shout out to YMY Hair for sponsoring today's video. Drop a like and a comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Someone else's success brings pain when you're no longer involved. That person has it all, and you just stuck standing there. But I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I am the topic of conversation. It's a celebration. Let's toast to the fact that I moved out my mama basement to a condo downtown. Cause it's all about location. I sit and drink wine and watch Californication of life. You should have been here to kick it with me. We could have split this whole thing up 50-50.